Hello everyone, my name is Olectralab, oh not really, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the physics mod for Minecraft. It's going to be three links you're going to want to go to. First one is this one on Modrinth, and we're just going to click this here. I'll try and put the links down in the description so it's faster. Just hit this big green download button right here. I'm just going to save it to the desktop. I'll click save. I don't actually need to do that because I've already downloaded it. Next one we're going to need to go to is the Fabric installer. Just a little link under here will do. Or we can click on the big blue button here. That's just going to do the same thing. I prefer to use the one underneath the blue button because it's just a jar file. You will need Java if you're using the jar file. If you don't have Java, try using the Windows button. I've already got this saved, so I'm not going to save it, but I've already got all the files down here on the desktop. So if I just come over here, that's our video here that's recording. So we've got physics mod. This physics mod is 1, so I'm just going to chuck it in the bin. But what we've got is physics mod. We're going to need Fabric installer and Fabric API. Start by clicking on the Fabric installer. I don't know if you can see this very well. If I just zoom in really quickly with the recording software, sorry, it's a bit sketchy here. I'm still learning how to use OBS. But here we have the Fabric installer. We double click this thing. I'll just really quickly shrink the. Sorry about this. The picture's all over the place here. And it's going to give us a little option here for installing Fabric installer. So what we're going to want to do, if I just fix my screen here, what we're going to want to do is just go ahead and click on the latest version. So whatever version you want to install, I'm doing 1.20.4. You might want a different version. We're going to make sure that create profile stays ticked, and we just hit install. Very straightforward. And we just hit OK, and that's that done. The next thing we're going to do is put the physics mod and Fabric API in the Minecraft mods folder. So if you don't know how to do that, press Windows key and R, or that's just run, and type in percentage app data percentage. This is a Windows tutorial. Sorry to anyone on a Mac or a console. We'll hit OK. And at the bottom or the top, depending on how you've got your files set disordered, you'll find .minecraft. We're going to click on .minecraft, and there should be no mods folder. If this is the first time you're using mods, there won't be a mods folder here, and you'll have to right click and go new and then folder, and you'll have to name it mods. That's what you're going to need to do if you've not got a mods folder. We have a mods folder, so I'm just going to delete this folder. But if we double click on the mods folder, if I just really find this, there should be mods, so it should be in alphabetical order. We just double click on this. As you can see, I've got the replay mod and the Fabric API already in here, but what you would do is drag the Fabric API in here. We don't need to do this because this is an old version, I think. We should be fine with just the one we've got. So I'm just going to put this in the bin, but what you do is drag it in there, and we drag the physics mod in here. There shouldn't be any other things in here if this is your first time. I've just got replay mod for making cinematic Minecraft stuff, and you're done. That's all you need to do. You just click on Minecraft now. Actually, no, that's the launcher. Sorry, I forgot the new launcher is the creeper face, not the dirt block. I much preferred the dirt block launcher as opposed to the new Minecraft creeper face, which isn't as cool as the dirt block. I definitely prefer the Minecraft dirt block, but you don't get what you want all the time. And what should happen is there should be a new version called Fabric Loader. Now, if this doesn't happen, oh, my bad. If this doesn't happen, you're going to want to go into installations and go new installation. You can name it whatever you want. I prefer to use the dirt block as the icon. So we'd call it, say, Minecraft modded. So, and then you'd click on the version here, and you scroll down to release Fabric Loader, and then click the Fabric Loader that you want, version that you want to be using. And then we just go ahead and click create, and it will give us a new profile. So if we went to play and we click down here, we should be able to go down, and at the bottom there'll be Minecraft modded, and we can use this version to run the Fabric. But I've already got the Fabric installation that's been automatically generated by the Fabric because we left the box ticked. We just go ahead and hit play, and we should have the physics mod installed. I'll just do a real quick demo. I'll pause the recording and then restart it once it's loaded. Did it pause? Did it pause? Yeah, it paused. I'm just testing the software. Alright, so I've just loaded up the world, and it should be loading the world now. Hopefully this mod doesn't break my game. I'm just loading it in really slowly here. I'll just zoom in so you don't have to look at the top text here, so more immersed in the Minecraft game. Just load this up real quick. I'll pause again until it loads. Alright, so I've loaded in a world here, and we'll just really quickly test the physics mod. I don't know why I can't Let's see. Why am I in spectator mode? Let me just really quickly go game mode. Game mode creative. I think we should be in creative. Are we in creative? We should be. F1. Here we go. Alright, I've got physics. Let's test out some of the things. The fishing rod's the same. Let's see what happens when we break a block. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What was that? Oh, no. I just collapsed the lab. This was supposed to be a movie set. I had no idea, and I can't fly because it's so laggy. Oh, man, you've got to be kidding me. The physics mod. Be careful when using this mod. Because what will happen is the physics mod will cause, if your structures aren't up to code, then breaking a single block will update them. Why is flying not working? Okay, there we go. I can fly. Breaking a single block will cause a catastrophic failure if you do not engineer your buildings correctly. You know how in Minecraft you can just build however you like, and when you add the physics mod, it will just cause everything to collapse. If you engineer the building wrong. So just be aware of that. Oh man, this is... Oh, look at that. Oh, that's worse. Oh no, I'm gonna have to repair this now. Man, I did not expect it to be that bad. My building is not up to code. I think we might have to abandon this map. Let's see if doors still work with the mod. This is so laggy. Oh, come on. Let's see if my doors work. Please work. Oh, yeah, the door still works. What happens if I come in here and I break a wall down? Oh, oh no. Oh no, this building is not up to code. Oh, the back rooms is falling to bits. Oh man, this is... I was going to say I hate physics, but I don't hate physics. This is actually pretty cool. So what would be to happen if I press the... Oh no, it's not structurally up to code. Oh, it's not up to code. The whole thing's collapsing onto the floor. Oh no, is this up to code? Oh no, it's not. This building would not be up to code. Oh man, this is a scary backrooms to be in. Oh man, it's falling on me. Oh, that's so cool. This is the physics mod, guys. If you haven't never played the physics mod, I would recommend you play the physics mod. And I've only just been in here for like 30 seconds. Anyway, that's how you get the physics mod in Minecraft and 1.20.4. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.